Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode. So today I am going to show you one of my favorite craft. So today we will learn how you can make one balancing toy. So for that balancing toy you need one small piece of thermocol, three toothpick, you can see we need three toothpick also, and we need some clay, as you can see. So just check it out how I am making this one. So first we need to cut out one thermocol shape like this, as you can see, and the thermocol should be little much thick. Okay. So first thing we have to do, we need to put two toothpick in this side. Okay, one I am putting here, as you can see, and I am again putting another one this side. And you should remember one thing, that both difference distance should be same. Okay. So after putting these two, now I have to make two ball with this clay. As you can see, I am using clay. So I am going to make two ball with this clay, and the ball should not be much bigger. Okay, and both the ball size should be same. As you can see, one ball is already done, and again I am making another ball. See, both the ball are same size. Okay, so you also have to make two ball like this, and now I am putting one ball in one toothpick, but you have to be very careful while putting the ball. As you can see, I am putting, and another one is there. As you can see, I have put a two ball here. Now I need to put this last toothpick in the middle of the thermocol. Okay, as you can see, I am putting one like this. So as you can see, our balancing toy is ready. See, so I hope you understood how you can make this one, and if you like this one, you can try it at home also. So that's it for today, and thank you everyone.